Hi everyone, in this video clip we are going to perform a few more post-installation functions on ESXi 02. This is the information that is in the Lab 2 supplemental document. Right now I am logged into DC and I'm going to launch Internet Explorer. Navigate to the ESXi2 vclass.local VM, website for the configuration. I'm going to continue to the website, which basically is overriding the certificate recommendation since it's a self-signed certificate and the certificate authority is not recognized. I'm going to log on as root and the vclass.local or vclass123 password. And we will get a config screen that essentially looks like this. And once this finishes initializing, we're going to go in and change some things in the storage. Initialization has finished. I'll select storage. We can see in the data stores tab that there is one data store. We need to get rid of that. I'll right click and delete. Confirm that I want to delete that, and when that's finished we'll see that there are no data stores. I'm going to add a new data store which will launch the wizard. It's going to create a new VMFS data store. Click on next. I need to select a device and I need to make sure I choose one of the 40 gigabyte free space ones. Either one is fine. I'm going to give this a name, which will be data store 1. Next, and I'm not going to change anything for the partitioning. Next, and finish. It's warning that it's going to erase all of the contents. That's fine. And we'll see that we have a new data store created. I need to redo that for a second data store. So we'll go through and set that up. Add another new data store, VMFS. The name is going to be local 02-2, and I will pick the other 40 gigabyte data store. Again, partitioning will stay as default. Finish and confirm that we want to erase. So that's now set up. The other thing we have to do is upload a couple of ISO files. We're going to do that onto local 02-2. I'll select that, and we have a number of different actions that we can take. I'm going to select data store browser so that we can see what files are stored. And right now on local 02-2, there are no files there. I have an upload option, so I'll pick that. And you're going to want to find the class files vSphere ISO and also the server 2012 distribution ISO. I'll pick class files vSphere ISO, select open. That's going to upload, and you can see that that happened very quickly. It's a small file. And I'm also going to upload the server 2012 R2 distribution ISO. I'll upload that. This is going to take a little bit while longer. You can see the progress bar in the upper right hand corner. And once that's finished uploading, we can see the two files that we need are listed on that data store. That's it for this particular video. Hopefully this has been helpful for you, and we'll see you next time.